Okay, so what I'm going to do is talk a little bit first, and then everybody's going to get a chance to show me some interesting site that you some useful site. Okay. Hi, Rosa. Okay. So hi. What we're going to do first of all, I'll talk, and then you guys can um, for now. Let's see now. What I'm going to do is for the first 10 or 15 minutes, I'm going to show a few things, and then you guys will have your chance to show some interesting website. So the site I'm going to say for news, for getting news, just regular news, Ukraine, English news. Maybe you guys read your own Ukrainian news, but I use Kiev Post. That's what I've used that for years. Probably I've read Kiev Post for 18 years probably. I used to live in Kiev, so I read it every week. I got the printout of the Kiev Post, but of course it's online also. But you guys probably use Ukrainian newspapers. That'll be my site. I want to tell a little bit about startup companies, and also if you have some project that you want to get online. This is called Kickstarter. I don't know if I talked about it in class. Kickstarter. So, for example, if you have an idea and you want to hear somebody with some shoes that they want to do, a lot of times it's technology, but it doesn't have to be technology. So they have 23 days to go. They're putting pledges on online. People are pledging a certain amount to buy these shoes. That might not be a very good example, but there's all kinds of different things here. So this tells about those shoes. Okay, let me see now. Let me see something else more interesting. So, for example, technology. This would be like somebody's got an idea, then they put it on there. Here's a solution for nonstop music while charging. So somebody's got this idea of having a music.
Do you hear me?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can keep,
Okay.
yeah. We'll be able to hear you. You don't have to talk right now. You get a chance to talk a little later. Okay. So this one here, somebody's got an idea. They got 3,000 people that have what they call pledged to buy this deal or to get it when it first comes out. They need money to make this stuff, technology. If you have an idea to make something, then you would put it on this Kickstarter, and people pledge. So there's 20 days to go on this pledge for this product, and then if they get enough money to meet their goal. For example, they got a $60,000 goal here. So they've already met their goals. They've got pledges enough, so they'll be able to start making this product, which is some kind of a music thing without charging. Or when you're charging your phone, you can still hear your music, whatever it is. Okay, so that's just an example. Another site like that is Indiegogo, and I know of some people in Ukraine here even that use that site. They have some new project, and some of you can turn off your. Let's turn off your microphones for now. We don't need to hear you for now. Okay, so for example, Indiegogo, I know there was one lady here in town. She had some idea. I think I told about it in class. She had a baby monitor where she put her on her wrist. She had a monitor, and then her baby was sleeping in the other room. And if the baby woke up, she could hear the baby crying. So she was putting that on Indiegogo, and she was getting pledges. So different people, like say, for example, maybe you wanted to make some project, and you didn't have enough money to start it. Well, then you put it on here. So there's all kinds of different things, and not everything about technology, of course. There's all kinds of stuff, and maybe you've heard about this before. So here's somebody with some kind of a new suitcase, travel gear. Let's see what it is about here. Anyway, that's if you wanted to start a campaign. So something might be interesting about that. It's hard to get your business started, of course. So if you don't have enough income, so you have to get pledges. People pledge to enter into that. Like you get enough pledges, and then you could be able to make your product and sell it. And so the first people that pledge, of course, all those people that pledge, they would be the first customers, you could say. And okay, so then when I wanted to show this, the next one I'm going to show here is, just a minute here, get over here. TechCrunch Disrupt. This is if you're going to have a new business. Some of these technology companies, they get together and they make they have a convention. One of them is TechCrunch Disrupt. Like the next one will be in London on December 5th and 6th. There was one just in San Francisco. So new companies that are going to start up. They had September in San Francisco. So they yeah, just a minute here. Just a minute. I got to get this a bit slow. Okay, so San Francisco. Next one is in New York. There's one in New York. Oh, there was already this year. Okay, these are old. That's old, but that's the past events. But London, it said London was the next one, December. And so what they do is the companies that come together, they can go there and they in front of these guys that want to invest in their, like they're called VCs. And so you come in front of this company and these different guys that are wanting to invest, and you tell about your startup, because you probably don't have enough. Maybe you started already, but you need more income, like investment. So they have what they call battlefields, startup battlefield. Here's the very heart of TechCrunch Disrupt. So they have like competitions between different companies, and then they tell what your product's about, and I guess it's not going to show about that startup battlefield. And then they also have, besides TechCrunch, there's another one called Y Combinator. Y Combinator is like they have these demo days. So here's one they had in August. That's like in the U.S. or different towns like California. And so the business, they would come there, some new startup company, and then you demo your product and get started. There's all kinds of different companies that started that way on Y Combinator. Y Combinator and TechCrunch Disrupt are going to be questions like that about startup companies and how to get investment. And even in Europe, these companies come to Europe. Like I said about that London one, TechCrunch comes to London. So let's see now. The demo day, it's kind of interesting about these demo days and the different companies. I'm just going to go back to Y Combinator. Y Combinator. Show some of the companies that started by getting investment on Y Combinator. For example, Dropbox, when they started, they would have had it on the demo day, they would have told about their company. And here's some guys getting ready to tell about their company. There's just a bunch of different companies that would have come through there and demoed their products. I don't even know a lot of these companies, but like for example, here's Dropbox. Everybody's heard about Dropbox, and they would have probably, who knows, maybe they would have. It says here our companies have combined valuation of over $65 billion. So they've invested a certain amount in those companies, and then the companies grow because they give them some help, and then of course they have a percentage of that. They get some income from that because they invested. That's how investments work. So Y Combinator and TechCrunch Disrupt. And one other thing I want to tell about is drones. You guys have heard about drones. I think you've probably seen some of them flying around Lutsk. Some of these like quadcopters and taking pictures. This for taking pictures, or maybe delivering packages. They have some delivering packages, small smaller drones, like maybe like this one here. This is like from the German delivering a package in Germany, Deutsche Post, DHL. That's probably, I don't know if they do that yet, but they're practicing there. They're going to have that in U.S. too, and maybe someday will have it here. So drones are kind of interesting. We didn't talk about that. That's going to be on the question about on the hardware question on the exam. So we've got quite a few of you on there. Now what we'll do is have your browser ready. Have something on your browser, like you have your browser open, and have one or two pages, maybe like some interesting app to use on your phone, or maybe you could have a website that's interesting for other students. Because like, for example, I've told about Duolingo that I use, and you might, something like that. You might use your Duolingo. You won't tell me about that one now because I've told about it, but maybe some other site that you're interested in for learning languages or for technology, something interesting for technology. Okay, so you just have one or two ready, and what I'm going to do is I'll say, okay, now the next one is going to share their screen. For example, maybe Nastya will be like first. I could give it to Nastya, and then share the screens, and then I'll take the share back after you're done talking. You turn on your microphone, and she talks for a while, and everybody else listens. Okay, so that'll give you practice how this works. So are you ready, Nastya? You can have your webcam on, but you don't have to. I'm gonna turn it over to Nastya now. So I'm gonna share her screen with. Let's see, just a minute. What you have to do is click on when I say share the screen. Then you have to click on.
Here.
Just a minute.
1 minute, please.
Yeah, do you have something ready to open when we share your screen? I'll just a minute. I hope this is. Just a minute. I got to figure out where to push my button to share the screen. Okay, just a minute. I did it the other day now on this one here. Go to meeting. Maybe we got too many people. I can't share the screen now. Send webcam request. Chat. Allow attendees. Allow chat send. Just a minute. I've got to get set up here. I suppose we got too many people or something. I can't get it to share. I normally it's worked before. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now I get it. Okay, start sharing my screen. Okay, now let's see. Just turn off. I'm going to turn off I'll turn off my screen, and then maybe I'll be able to do yours. Okay, come on. Share screen. I don't see it. Just a minute here. Somehow I don't know what's wrong here. Okay. Okay, let's do Rosa first. I'll click on Rosa. Okay, so what you do is Rosa, you'll click. You just say download, or if it's download or something, there's a button to click, and then it doesn't take long. I don't know if it's download or something you have to click on your screen. Then we'll see your screen.
Oh, it's like extension, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Is it an extension? I'm not sure what does it say.
To become a student, download and switch to the desktop version of GoToMeeting. So
are you on?
Download.
What are you on a phone or something?
Yeah, on the phone.
You're on a phone.
Oh, no. Right now I'm on the computer.
You're on a computer. Well, just a minute. It should work. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me try somebody else. It works the other day. Just a minute. I got to get.
I'm downloading right now.
You're downloading it? We should be able to.
1 second.
It shouldn't take too long. Then we should be able to see your screen if you click the button. I can't remember what it says because I can't see what it says.
Just 1 second.
Yeah, everybody's going to be ready. Everybody will have their turn. You have your browser ready, and then when I give you the share screen, then we'll be able to see your.
He's installing.
Okay. Maybe your connection's a little bit slow. Usually it was quicker than that, but. So Rosa is going to be the presenter now. As soon as she gets the software there, maybe let's let that install on your computer. I'll come back to you maybe. Zoriana, maybe let's try Zoriana. I'll try to make you the presenter. Okay, so you see something on yours, Zoriana? You can let me turn on your microphone. We can hear you. Turn on your microphone.
I know. Okay.
Okay.
Right now you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Okay, now you see that link to click? Then we should be able to see your.
Yeah, I see everything. I'm trying to show you my.
It'll come on pretty soon.
So do you see my screen now?
Not yet. If you clicked it, we'll all be able to see it hopefully. Okay, now we see it. Yeah. Okay.
So you see my screen?
Well, we did.
Now, yeah.
We did for just a second. We did. Now. Now it's not
I will
on.
I will try again.
Yeah, try that again. Okay. It says you're the presenter. You must have it. You must have had the. There you go. Okay, we got your. Okay, now go to your browser. Now you can start telling about your. Okay, everybody sees that, I guess. Okay.
Do you see it right now?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we see your screen. Now you go to. Okay, this is okay. You go ahead now and talk.
Yeah, just a second.
You can tell about iTunes. You can tell about iTunes.
No, not about iTunes. I want you to. Oh my God. I want to tell you about the application that I'm using, and it is called Tiny Password. This is application for your. I don't know whether you may install it on your Android, but I have on my iPhone this application. So it's just general. This is the application that stores your passwords, and because I don't want to write down somewhere all my passwords, so it's very convenient for me to store all the password in this application. It is called Tiny Password. So you may just maybe there are also some other pictures. 1 second. Let me just. Okay. So first of all, when you open this application, you need to, maybe when you install this application on your phone, you need to create your master password, like the unique one password, with the help of which you may log into this application. And then when you enter your master password, then you will see different categories. Right now you may see this on the screen, like a website, application, email, membership, a driver's license, bank account, contact, and I also have secure notes. So generally we may store here the passwords for some websites, the credit card details, some I don't know, for the application passwords, for the email, and also there is if you go to the settings, you may synchronize all the data to your browser, all to the Dropbox.
Okay, that's good.
And
I've used LastPass. LastPass is one I use, and I tell about that in the data security class, 4th year, 2nd semester. But that's good. Tiny password. Yeah, that's good. You have to remember You don't have to remember all your passwords, but you have to remember your main one, the main
your
password.
master password. Yeah, only one.
Yeah, that's a good thing, and then you can have it. You can have that on. So Tiny Password must have something on your computer too, then, right? Like
yes, yeah, there is an option that you may synchronize the data to your just to your browser on your computer. But I didn't try this yet. But I haven't tried this yet.
Well,
but
yeah, that's
I know
what you'd want to do if you're really going to use it. You'd want to do that because you wouldn't want to have to remember your passwords on those same passwords on your browser on your computer. Yeah, it's a good password managers are a good thing. Instead of having a list of like a list of all your passwords. You see, you might, that's not very handy to have a list. So I've used the LastPass. That's good. Is there anything else you want to tell about? So tiny password.
No, this, yeah, only this one only.
Okay, tiny password is your interesting app.
Yeah, my
Okay, so we'll,
application, yeah.
we'll take you away from your. Now I'll share the screen with Rosa. She's back, I see. So maybe it will work this time. I hope. So I'll give Rosa.
Okay, so I'm disconnecting. Okay, bye now.
Yeah, bye. Okay. So now, Rosa, we're going to see your screen now. You look at your. Did you get a link on your computer now to click again? I'm making you the presenter. I don't turn on your microphone. We don't hear you. Turn on. Oh, wait a minute. Let me. There. Okay. Now say that. Turn on your microphone, Rosa. You can't. Okay. What'd you say? Can you see the link on your computer to click so we can see your screen?
I see only show my screen.
Show your screen. Click that. There. Okay. We see your screen. Okay. Go ahead now. Turn up your. We can hardly hear you though. Somehow your volume is not very loud.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure what is going on.
Sit closer to your. We can't hear you.
Now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better. Okay. Now what? Now you tell us about your interesting app or website or something.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, we see it. We see your screen. Yes.
Okay, 1 second.
Pocket app.
Yeah, it is called Pocket. Actually, it is compatible not only, I have it on my iPhone, but still you can also download it for your Android. It is compatible with almost all the versions of Android, but still if you want to download it for iOS device, it should be like version 8 or later. Just 1 moment. The connection is not so good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's okay. It's not very loud, but go ahead. Pocket app.
Okay, so it may, for example, if you are surfing the internet, you may just click on like, and you will save this video, for example, the picture in your iPhone. It means that Pocket is the place to quickly save, to discover some stories that interest you, and you may just go to that video even without any internet connection. For example, you can also download some important documents, for example, your passport and so on. And in case you forgot them at home, you can just go to this Pocket application, and there you will see all information that you need. And this is really very useful and comfortable for me. I think that it is a good application and almost satisfies all my needs. Also, it is represented in almost 15 languages. I cannot tell you how it looks like.
It's okay. It's okay. We understand. I've had
Maybe
something like, yeah, we understand. Pocket. It's like I use. There's ones you can click on to read later, stuff you read later, like articles and so on. I use something similar. I would say it's similar to what I'm using is Flipboard, but maybe it's not exactly the same. I haven't used this one. I'll try Pocket app. So do you have anything else? Anything else you want to tell about?
Actually, no.
Okay.
Just a few things, but still.
Okay, so I guess next will be, okay, what I'm going to give it over to Oksana now. I think she's ready to tell something now. Just a minute. Wait a minute. I can't, her name, I don't see her name. Just a minute. I see she's there, but maybe let's let Ira, we'll give it to Ira. Bobrovska. You're going to be you're next, Ira. You can click on that presenting page. We'll get turn on your microphone, Irina.
Do you hear me? Hello?
Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Ira.
Hello to everyone. I would like to present a video editor.
We don't see your, wait a minute, Ira. We don't see your screen yet, I don't think.
Okay. I don't know. I cannot choose this word share. It's not available.
It doesn't want to,
Oh, yeah. Now do you see it?
Yeah, okay, now go ahead. Yep, it's good. Okay, you can start talking.
Do you see my screen?
No, we did, but for a little bit we did. No, it's not there. Okay, yeah, okay, it is. I see it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm gonna present a quick video editor. Why I do like it is it's really quick and it's very convenient. You can download it from download it from App Store as well as for Android.
Keep talking.
So,
somebody else has their microphone. Everybody else turn off your microphones when you're not. Just mute your microphones. The other people.
okay, now it's good. Okay,
go ahead.
So you can add up to 200 photos, and you can add also videos, a lot of videos as well. It's very quick and very simple. Here is the interface. I think it's really user-friendly. And when you open the program, you can understand everything really easy. You can choose the music, whatever you like. It also has its own music and its own styles. The styles are really great. I have tried it. So that you can pick different pictures, videos, and then it adjusts the music to your video so that you create different effects. You can also add different filters to your video, graphics, as well as different text. And one more function for this video editor is that sometimes it can create video even if you do not use it, so that it takes a day, your photos and videos from one day, and it takes it together, then adjusts music, and you just receive the message that the video for your day is ready. And it just shows your day with text, with it uses the location, if it's synchronized, if the location is turned on when the photos were done, so that sometimes it makes a kind of surprise for you. So the program is really interesting, and it's very good when you want to make a small video and you want to make it quick to show others about your great day or about your trip.
Okay, I don't do much with video stuff, so I haven't used the video editor, but it's good to know about. That's I'll put that on the software part, like the application software, quick video editor. Somebody else maybe have used other ones, but I think I've heard of it, but I never used it myself. So, is there anything else you wanted to show? Another software? Okay, so now I'll take the screen. We'll give it to somebody else now. Mikola's ready. Mikola, you can talk now. I see you're ready to go. Some of these, so you click on that, and then you tell what your topic is. Okay.
Okay. I found this program not long time ago, but it's a very useful program. First, it was created just for games, but it could be used for other heavy programs like Photoshop if you have a little bit, maybe, not very strong computer, because
your computer's slow. Yeah.
Yes. This program turns off all other programs that you don't need in the Windows or other operational system, and in that way, this program перенаправляє.
It directs maybe, or
yes, directs all computer resources exactly to that one program.
Okay.
So I want to show it. I have a Russian
Yeah, that's
version.
okay. Yeah.
But
Razor.
you can also install English if you want, or other programs. For example, here is the main menu, and you can add any program that you want. For example, I have a game and also these programs. To add, click here, and then you can choose other programs. For example, Pen Tool it's my photo redactor, so I may use it sometimes. But sorry, I use it with my old laptop. Now I don't need it to use.
Uh-huh.
So, and here you also she have utilities that help you. For example, you can update edit all programs that you will turn off, or just use the recommended profile here. I have here a lot of process, so as you see, so I can choose which one I want to turn off.
Uh-huh.
Also, this program could make the defragmentation of your program. I choose, for example, generate fins. It's a program that generates animation for characters in other games if you use it as modder. And it will make it defrag for especially this program to make it work fast, because as you know, make defragmentation is very important to make your computer work fast. Also, it's check your drivers versions. So here I have all last versions of drivers, so she don't show anything.
Okay. Now that's enough.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Okay, it's called Razor, right? Razor, is that the name of it?
Razer Game Buster,
Game.
but as I said, it could be used for heavy programs.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. You can control your computer. Okay, so we'll take you off. The next one is going to be Anya. She needs to go. Except,
Hi, do you hear me?
yeah, just a minute. I hear you, but I got to give you the screen. Do we need to see your screen, or can you just talk?
I don't know how to send a screen for you.
No, well, I have to click on a link to be able to give it to you, but I don't know
Can
if I can. Yeah, just go ahead and tell
Can
me.
you try my screen?
No, who, Nastya? Anya wants to be next.
Yes, yes.
No, Anya needs to be next first. Her
Okay.
battery's going dead, so let Anya talk.
Yeah, okay. May I just tell you about this program, this application, and then I'll try to send you a screen.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't know how to do it with my phone. It's so complicated, and
Yeah.
even
Just tell us about your program.
Okay, I want to tell about Scanner Pro. It's an application for Android and for iPhones. It's perhaps one of the best applications for quickly scanning and saving digital documents, digital versions of a paper document. It automatically detects the edges of the document, and it automatically takes a picture of it. Then you save it to your phone, and you can share with someone who needs this information, this document. But this application is not free. It costs $4, but I think that it's very useful for people that are studying or just having their own business, because it's a quick way to share important documents.
So it's called Scanner Pro?
Scanner Pro, yeah. This is the 7th version of it.
Okay. And it's for your phone, or for Windows, or for Android, or iOS, or which?
For Android and for iOS.
Okay, on your phone.
Both.
Yeah, okay. So Scanner
Yeah.
Pro. I haven't used that one. I'll try that one out too. Okay, Scanner
I want to send a screen, but I don't know how.
Yeah, okay. Well, I need to be the one to clicking on it, but I don't see on your name. I can't click. It doesn't work for me to let you have the screen. So just maybe make
just a second. I want to try something. Maybe. Yeah, no, it doesn't work.
Okay.
Doesn't work. Okay.
Okay, so
that's
now
it.
next, we need to give a minute here now. I know that Nasti wanted to go next, but I don't have enough names. It doesn't work to do that. I just got a certain numbers of names here I can click on. Let me try Nasti, but
Where can I write my name?
don't worry. It's a deal here that I got a list of 6 or 7. There's 16 people. There were 16 and 14 now in the class, and right now it only shows up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just a minute. Let's either Tanya, or let's see, Marta hasn't gone yet, or Elena Hlushko. I can click on one of those right now. Let me do Tanya. Nastya, maybe your name will come up in a little bit. I got to be the one to click who's going to be the presenter. So now it's Tanya. Tanya, you're the new presenter. So you got to click on something there and turn on your microphone. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Tanya, we can hear you. Okay, now you click on that link where we see your yeah. Okay, Ira, you can be next. I think. That's crazy that it's not showing everybody's names. Yeah, Tanya, do you see some link you have to click on so we can see your screen?
Yes.
Okay, click it. Click the link. Okay, we see it. You can tell us now. You can talk now, Tanya.
Okay, I would like to talk about a portable ebook reader that can be used on Android.
Cool. Cool reader. Okay, keep talking.
Two very comfortable functions. They are night mode. Option displays light color text on a black background, reducing glare, and a text-to-speech feature optionally reads your books out loud. This application is an excellent entirely compatible ebook reader, but there is some problems with open files can be a little awkward because the program doesn't use native Windows dialogs except drag and drop. You must read your way through its built-in file browser instead.
Okay. Cool reader. Okay. That's good. Anything else, Tanya?
Oh no, it's just so.
Okay. Cool reader. Now, Nastya wants to go, but Ira from Germany. Ira's in Germany, and she wants to be next. I have one little problem that the names are not coming up. Not everybody's name is showing up for me to click on. I don't know. Maybe I can. Soriana Rosa. Okay. There's I'm not sure what to say. Makola and Rosa, can you turn off your web cameras a second? There's a problem. We got too many people. I don't want you to log out, but just turn off your camera. I wanted to see if the names. I can't click on the ones that want to go next. Tanya doesn't work. I want to make Elena's going to be next because I can't somehow. Elena, can you click on your click on that link? Ira, I can't get your name doesn't show up for me to click on it. Crazy. Okay, we'll turn off Rosa and Tanya's. it's a lesson to me to learn how to get this to work. I know Nasty wants to go next, and Elena, you're gonna click on the link and you can see your screen. Are you there?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you wait a minute?
Yeah.
I try to click on my screen.
Yeah. Okay. Click on it. Yeah. We can hear you.
But I'm sorry. I start shaking. I just should to click on screen on the left side. Yes.
Well, somewhere there there should be a link that says share your screen or something like that. I sent a message to you. Look down are you on Windows? Look down at the bottom of your screen. Is there a you must have it covered over. There's a thing to click on.
Like I see one button after my microphone, like, and.
Okay, I'll let somebody else do it. I'll come back to you. Look around on your computer a little bit, and then maybe you get another chance. Marta's going to be next here now. Okay, Marta, you should get a link now to click on. For some reason, a few of those girls that wanted to go next, their names are not on here. I see you you're in the class, but where I have to click, it's not working. Marta, you see? Let's turn on your microphone so we can hear you. Turn on your microphone, Marta. Click the link. Okay, go ahead. Turn on your microphone. Click that. Okay, it says connecting to audio. Okay, that's good. Marta, we see your screen. You can start talking. Marta, are you there? I think you're connect to my microphone. Okay, so okay, Marta, maybe your I don't know your microphone. If we're not going to be able to hear you, show your browser. Which app were you going to tell about? We can't hear you. I see your audio is not. Click on your browser. Her audio kind. She's trying to connect to. Yeah, I see that. Piano tiles. Okay, she's going to tell about piano tiles. Okay, what's that? Zoriana has, anyway, Zoriana, we don't need to see your audio right now. Piano tiles, Marta, go down a little bit. I don't know what that is. Don't tap the white. On Android, don't tap the white. Okay, and Ira's, I'm sorry, Ira. Okay, let's go off of Marta. Marta can't talk, so we can't, it's kind of hard for me to talk for her. Okay, just a minute now. If I could get this, I'm going to give the presenter back to Marta, Elena, Zoriana. It doesn't let me have, there's only 6 people can be the presenter. I wonder if a few of you, here, let me help me out here a little bit. Rosa and Zoriana, go on there where it says screen, under the screen sharing, and maybe you can give the presenter back to me or something that your names show up there, and I can't give the other, I want Ira Podolets and Nastya, but I can't get them to work. It's crazy. Okay, well, I found it. Okay, here's going to be Ira. No, that's not the right Ira. That's the wrong Ira. Just a minute. Ira Podolets. Okay, just a minute. No, it doesn't work. Somehow it must be with the software you guys are using. I can't. Let's see. That's a problem. I can see there's a deal here where I can't share everybody. Like for example, Nastya, it won't let me share some of you because of the software you're using. Nastya, put your microphone on and or Ira Podolets.
Yes.
Yeah, Ira. First of all, Ira, because her battery's running out. You'll have to just tell me because what are you on? What kind of software are you using?
I'm using my smartphone.
Yeah, okay. You're on your phone. Yeah, that's why it won't let me share. You see, it wouldn't work. So just tell your app. That's why your name wasn't showing up on that list.
Okay, I would like to tell about the app which I'm using practically every day now. It's called Deutsche Bahn Navigator.
Uh-huh. For the
It's
trains, the German trains. Okay, okay, good. We
it's
should have had
not
you. We should have had you in class before all the time. We should have online classes all the time so the Germans can come on here too. Anyway, Deutsche Bahn Navigator. Okay, keep going.
yeah. It's really useful. It's not just you can use it not just for trains, but for all kinds of transport, bus, subway. You just have to input where you are. It can be whether city, or you can even if you know the name of your bus stop or subway stop, you can put the name of it, and then you need to put the name of bus stop you want to go, or name of the city you want to reach, and then this app show you all possible variants, all possible connections. It's very useful. It has some additional settings. You can choose, for example, that if you don't want to be shown some fast trains, you want just to be shown some regional trains, and you want to, you can put the time, the date, and it's really useful.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's the transport apps are really handy wherever people go. We already have
Yes.
some of that's coming in Ukraine too. Even Ukrtelkom or Ukr Zolizhnitsyn is going to have apps like that too. So that's good. Okay, Nastya is going to be in the era. So anyway, let's come back to Ukraine sometime.
Yes.
I'm glad you were in class.
Yes.
Yeah, and
But
I see Oksana, and the rest of you that are on phones, we'll just have to talk because that's the problem. I have a link here that I'm clicking. I can see who I can present to, and there's only okay, Tanya, Rosa, Elena. Elena will be Marta. Those will be a little bit. Nastya wanted to be next, so Nastya's going to go ahead. Just a minute. Okay, you guys just start talking, Nastya, because we can't see your screen. You're on a phone, I guess.
Do you hear me?
Yep. Go ahead. Tell us your app because we can't see your screen. It won't work.
Okay, I want to tell about the PhotoMath camera. That is an application that can help us to read some documents, or this application reads and solves mathematical problems by using your camera on your mobile device in real time, and also it makes math easy and simple by educating users on how to solve math problems, and also it solves this problem step by step, so that you can see all the solving and all the steps that this application used. You can learn how to solve these problems, and also it can recognize your handwriting. So you can write some calculations on your sheet of paper and make photo of this calculation so that it can solve you this task. And also you can also enter math problems using a simple and intuitive math keyboard. The results will instantly appear on screen as you type, also making PhotoMath a great calculator replacement.
Okay, good. So what was the name again?
Zaras, 1 minute please. PhotoMath camera calculation, something like
PhotoMath
PhotoMath camera calculator.
Calculator. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Camera. So it's really got all those things together is what it's. Okay. I haven't used anything like that. So I'll try it sometime.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's all?
Yeah, that's for you. That's all. Unless you wanted to tell something other app or something, but we can't see your screen anyway. Okay. So now I guess let's see, Oksana. Oksana, you're on a phone, I guess, huh? Oksana Motuzka.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Go ahead.
Do you hear me?
Yeah. You can turn on your, if
Okay,
you want to turn on
fine.
your webcam, you had your webcam on so everybody can see you when you're telling. You can show your phone and maybe, go ahead. Do you have your webcam on? You had it on.
I'm using my phone and I can to show you
Okay.
my
Yeah, no.
screen.
No, that's right. Okay, yeah, that's right.
So I would like to present the very useful app for smartphone, Telegram. Telegram is a messaging application with a focus on speed and security. This application is super fast, simple, secure and free. And this application is a cloud-based instant messaging service. Telegram is supported by the Russian-born interpreter Pavel Durov, and as to the new things in this app, iOS 10 users can now ask Siri to send Telegram messages. I think that it's very useful, and as for me, this application is great because instead of using Viber, which always has a lot of troubles with an internet connection, we can use a Telegram.
Okay, yeah, he started Contacti, and then Putin told him to do stuff with Contacti that he didn't want to do, so he left Russia. He started Telegram, which is a encrypted. It's a good in place of Viber and some of those. Yeah, that's good. Telegram. I have.
Yeah, and Telegram was launched in maybe a few years ago. Maybe I don't know
already,
exactly,
maybe,
but
a couple of years, yeah, maybe so. Yeah, I don't have too many people that I'm connected with on Telegram, but it's pretty much similar to Viber, I think, but there may be safer, more protected, better. Well, Viber should be okay.
Yeah.
Too. Okay, so now let's go back to some that I can share there. Just a minute here. See, the thing is, some of you ask why you couldn't share. Well, it's because you have phones, and I have a list of on here. Let me go back to Ira or Elena Holushko. I'm going to give her a click on hers to see if she can, because I don't think she's done hers yet. You see that, Elena? You're the presenter now. So now what you do is Anya.
Okay. And can I speak without sharing my screen because I can't do it.
Okay, go ahead. I guess you're able. I think you would be able to because I can tell on here you're on you're on a computer. So somehow I don't know why it doesn't, but there must not be. You must click in the link somewhere. But anyway, go ahead.
I would like to present you one app for editing photos. It's Rapix. Rapix is different from other camera apps because it has such an option that you can use your fingerprint to make your photo. This app has a comprehensive set of editing tools to create very creative picture. It has a great variety of unique framework, including amazing effects to adjust the lighting, color balance, and brightness. So maybe I will try to show you this program. Should I put the button under the button of my voice, like?
No, there should have been a link come up. It must be there somewhere. But anyway, try to click it. Maybe there's something that'll work.
Like
anyway,
I just don't know.
If you don't see it, yeah. Okay. What was the name? Tell me the name again. That you'll have to show.
Rapix.
Like rabbits. R-A.
R-E-P-I-X.
R-E-B-I-X. Rebix. Okay, Rebix. I haven't heard of that one. Okay. You use it, huh?
No, I didn't use it because, but I just find the information about it. And speaking about app that I use, it's Retrica. And I also presented some information about Retrica. Should I?
Retrica. We can't see your screen because you're not clicking on something. But anyway, Retrica.
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 Retrica, it's also app for editing your photos. Thanks to Retrica, you can create photos, different collages, and sometimes even GIFs. It has approximately 100 filters and filters for selfie. So also, it has great variety of different stickers for every season, occasion, and trade. So you can decorate your selfie or photo with this sticker collection. And thanks to Retrica, you can make different collages. So you can make some multiple photos. And also. What else about Retrica? Also, you can make a quick photo with one click.
Okay. Okay.
So that's all.
Okay, that's enough. Now we'll go. Let's see. Yana, did you tell something yet? I don't think you have. So she'll be next. Except you must be on a phone. So go ahead, start talking.
I'll send you my screenshots in Wiki. Can you look it now?
Where's it at? On email or where?
On Wiki. Contacti.
Oh, on Contacti. Oh, okay, on Contacti. Just a minute. Okay. Start talking. I'll find it.
I would like to tell you about one website which I have used for a long time, and it is very useful for me. It's SlideShare.
What?
SlideShare.
SlideShare. Okay, SlideShare.
It offers users the ability to upload and share publicly or privately PowerPoint presentation, Word documents, and even videos. So you can create your own presentations and upload it into your account in SlideShare, and save there even your videos and documents, and you can to save your maybe even memory on the computer. Saving your these documents on SlideShare. Also, there is a mobile version, and now it is showing on a mobile device. You can view presentations and browse through slides. So you can share with it on email, Twitter, and even Facebook. And so what should you do to view SlideShare on your mobile? You should just go to slideshare.net on your device and click on any presentations link, or just click on any presentations link that you have received by email on your mobile. It can work on iPhone, iPad, and Android as well.
Okay, I haven't used it myself. I'll try it. SlideShare. So it's kind of like PowerPoint, I think. I think it might be from LinkedIn. It shows it's made from LinkedIn. It's one of LinkedIn companies, which is actually owned by Microsoft. But okay, SlideShare. Okay, good. Let's see now.
On your mobile, this doesn't require Adobe Flash, so you can just, but you cannot download presentations from your mobile, only from your regular computer.
Okay. Okay.
So
now I think,
as you can see in my screenshots, I have used this site for a long time, and I have a lot of views for my presentations, and more than 200.
200 presentations on there. Okay. Interesting.
No, 200 views.
200 views.
And I have presentations on.
Okay. Okay, so next is going to be Yulia Chernich. I don't think she's, you can turn on your microphone, Yulia. Okay, go ahead.
Do you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you. Are you on a phone too? Because I couldn't share your screen, so go ahead and talk.
Okay. Okay. I'd like to tell about the application Todoist. It's very, very useful for me, and
To-do list? To-do list?
Todoist.
Ist. Oh,
Todoist.
T-D-I-S.
TDR. Todoist.
I-S-T. Like that?
IST. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
all in one word. Okay, okay, now go ahead. Okay, that's it?
Okay.
Todoist.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Accomplish more.
It's
Okay, good.
it's a project management application for personal and professional productivity, and it allows us to manage to put all our tasks on our smartphone or tablet or computer. And you don't have to put all tasks on your mind, and you can categorize it. For example, there are different categories such as shopping, private, something which is connected with your job or with your family, and so on. You can also categorize different things which you have to do today, which you have to do tomorrow, or things which you'd like to do when you have time, and so on. For me, it's very, very useful because it's very stressful when you have all your tasks on your head, on your mind, and you have just the reminder, and you know when you have to do different important things. Also, I use Pocket, but Rosa have already talked about these apps. There is also very interesting application such C25K.
C25K.
The C25K.
Okay, app. C25K.
Yes.
Yeah. What is this
Yes.
for running.
It's for yes,
running,
it's for
running.
people. Yes,
Run.
there are different programs for 8 weeks, and there are different exercises and time. How long have you do these exercises? And for me, it's also very useful, and I think that it's for those people who don't have time for fitness, or or don't have, for example, money for training, and for people who want to just do some exercises at home. It's very useful.
Okay,
also,
I use Google Fit is what I use on that for that kind of thing. I use this, how many steps a day and how much exercise, different things. That's what I use. So that's interesting, though. I hadn't heard about that one. G25, or what was it again? 25K?
25K, yeah.
G25K, okay. And you want something else?
Yes, sometimes I use also a website. It's called Prometheus. Prometheus.
How do you spell it?
Promeme.
Like this here?
After M-E. No. After M-E. Then T-H.
E-U-S?
Yeah. Yes.
Prometheus. Masovi
Yes.
online course. Okay, online. Oh, yeah. What's his name told about it the other day? Mikola told me about it the other day. Yeah, that's good for Ukrainians. Okay.
Yes, it's very good, and at the end you can get certificate. It's really interesting. There are a lot
this
of.
goes on the topic. I talked about some of these in the U.S. ones, and this was something that Mikola told me the other day. It was something. So that's good for you guys. I hadn't heard of it before, and I haven't signed up to anything there, but I'm going to take a look at it sometime. Okay, that's good. That's probably enough from you. Let's see. I don't know if anybody else. Marta, we didn't get Marta now. So Marta, we can, if she's there now. I think I tried before. Marta, I can share your screen. It shows your name is on here to share, I think. Just a minute. Let's see if we can see Marta's screen. Yeah. Marta, if you're ready now, I'm going to give you there's a link to click now for you. And turn on your microphone. Is she there? Marta. Dobry večer. She's not there, I guess. Anyway, let's see. Who else? Okay, microphone is still not okay. Oh, you had a problem with your microphone. I forgot. Yeah, that's right. Forgot about that. So it's hard for you to talk. But the microphone, we saw your screen though. Click on that. Go back to your screen, and we can see your browser. See what I mean? You don't have to talk, but show your browser. So you maybe you did show me what you. I forgot what your program was though. I didn't write it down. You already did it, and I forgot to write it down. Marta. Piano tiles. Okay, yeah, piano tiles. That's right. Which is it? Is that a game? Is that a game? I think maybe, huh? Piano tiles. Is that like playing piano or something? I'll have to look it up, I guess. It's a game. Okay. Okay, so if you guys have time to play games, then that's piano tiles for Marta. Piano tiles. I suppose it's learning how to play a game somehow. Piano tiles. Okay, yeah, I actually tried that too. I saw that when I was trying somebody's computer, their screen. I remember doing that too. Okay, let's see now. I think we're just about through the whole list of students. Anybody else? Chernish, let's see. Has everybody had a chance? If you didn't, turn on your microphone and tell me if you didn't have a chance to talk. Those of you that can turn on your webcams, turn them on to see. Like maybe you can only see a few at a time. Some of you had your webcams on. Does anybody else want to turn theirs on? Ira or Mikola was on already. Marta, you have a webcam, Marta? Nastya, she's still there. She was on her phone. Does yours work? You can turn on the webcam. Anybody else? We're gonna close off pretty soon, but I guess that shares everybody shares. Okay, there's Marta. Now we saw you. Could have. Yeah. Okay. It looks like you have piano tiles in your background. Yeah. Okay. So we're sorry we couldn't hear you. Must be. It looks like you have a microphone on your headphones. Don't you have a microphone? Somehow it didn't work. Yeah. Anyway, we didn't hear you. But okay. Anybody else there we didn't see before? Yana or Yulia Chernish, do you have a webcam? Zoriana was there. We'll close off pretty soon. So there comes Zoriana. We saw Zoriana before. Yeah, and Rosa. Okay, so the main thing I learned one thing today, that when you're on a phone, that we can't share your screens from the phones. So those that were on a computer, we saw their screens. I should have thought quicker to open up. I have on my screen. I could have been doing the searching for what your apps was. Like when Oksana told about Telegram, I should have told that. And Rebix, the other Oksana, we could have done that. And Deutsche Bahn, Ira Podelet, she left already. So anyway, hopefully there are some new sites that you heard about. There was a few there that I heard. That one I signed up for. Let's see, what was it? This one that Yuli was telling about. I signed up for a to-do list. I always like those kind of things. What's one thing you want to get done today? Shopping. I want to get shopping done. So I got to go shopping at TomTom. What's one thing you want to do every day? Swim. I want to swim every day. And so now I'm all set. Finish subscribing. Okay, so this might be a lot like I like to-do lists. I use most of this on Google stuff, but this sounds interesting. So it's got a tasks and so on. Shopping, work, errands, movies to watch. I'm going to try this out. To-do list. So oh, maybe you weren't seeing my screen though. I guess sorry, you weren't looking at my screen. It was Marta was the one who had her screen. Yeah, this was my to-do list from that one that Todoist, but they don't have list on it. Todoist. So I guess that's about it for the class, and I think we had pretty much everybody. Hopefully, most everybody. So we'll see you. When's the next class? Somebody can tell me when we see you on Tuesday or Wednesday. Maybe it's not tomorrow. Somebody tell me when's the next class. Nobody's microphone is on right now. Look at my schedule. You guys are group number 1, aren't you?
We'll have the class maybe in Thursday.
Is it Thursday? Okay. So Thursday you need to tell me something about speech recognition that you try to program to your voice, that picks up your voice, and try to have try something that the other ones didn't try. I know there's quite a few programs for that. So that's what we talked about last time, and we'll do some other stuff maybe about Amazon and so on Thursday. So we'll see you Thursday in class. So I guess that's all. Those of you that were here, you get the points for assignment 3. And hopefully you'll be able to use this. Hopefully you'll be able to use this on your job, making. I mean, I know it was a little bit confusing when I couldn't get the screens to show, but it wasn't really my fault, I guess, either. But anyway, that'll be all for now. And so maybe you'll be able to use this. It's more than Skype, of course. It's by sharing screens. It's kind of interesting to do that. So that's all. I'll say goodbye and see you on Thursday.